Welcome to the captivating world of carnivorous plants, where nature has taken a peculiar turn in the plant kingdom.
Carnivorous plants have evolved to attract, capture, and digest animal prey to obtain nutrients from an otherwise nutrient-poor environment.
The most well-known carnivorous plant, the Venus flytrap, snaps shut its modified leaves in less than a second to trap its prey.
These fascinating plants primarily grow in areas with poor soil nutrient levels, such as bogs and swamps. There are over 800 known species of carnivorous plants distributed across the globe.
Carnivorous plants can trap their prey in various ways, including pitfall traps, flypaper traps, snap traps, bladder traps, and lobster traps.
The pitcher plant attracts insects with nectar and then traps them inside its pitcher-shaped leaves filled with digestive fluids.
Not all carnivorous plants are strictly harmful to their prey. Some provide a habitat or a microecosystem for insects and amphibians.
Sundews are adorned with glandular hairs that secrete a sticky mucilage, which entangles unwary insects.
The bladderwort is an aquatic carnivorous plant that uses vacuum pressure to suck small water organisms into its bladders. Carnivorous plants have fascinated botanists and horticulturists for centuries due to their unique feeding strategies.
The largest known carnivorous plant is the tropical Nepenthes raja, which can trap small mammals and birds.
Some carnivorous plants have mutualistic relationships with certain insects, aiding both in survival.
Carnivorous plants use color, scent, and nectar to lure their unsuspecting prey.
The seeds of carnivorous plants are dispersed by wind or water, allowing them to spread to new areas. Studies show that carnivorous plants may play significant roles in their ecosystems by controlling insect populations and recycling nutrients. Charles Darwin extensively studied carnivorous plants and was particularly fascinated by the Venus flytrap. In addition to insects, some larger carnivorous plants are known to capture frogs, small rodents, and birds.
Carnivorous plant habitats are often threatened by human activity, leading to conservation efforts. Some carnivorous plants have developed special adaptations to prevent their digestive enzymes from harming their own tissues.
Pitcher plants contain a fluid in their pitchers that not only digests prey, but also prevents other organisms from feeding on the trapped insects.
Carnivorous plants have inspired various forms of media, including literature and film. Brocchinia reducta is a bromeliad that has evolved carnivorous adaptations to catch and digest insects.
Each type of carnivorous plant has a different mechanism of trapping prey that illustrates nature's ingenuity.
Carnivorous plants are found on every continent except Antarctica. Some species of Nepenthes pitcher plants have developed symbiotic relationships with bat species, benefiting both organisms.
Carnivorous plants use enzymatic digestion as well as mutualistic bacteria and protozoa to break down their prey.
The multifaceted mouth of the Venus flytrap is sensitive to touch. It needs to be triggered twice to close and capture its prey.
Autotrophic carnivory in plants has evolved independently at least 6 times across different lineages.
Drosera, or sundews, use a glue-like substance on their tentacles to ensnare and suffocate insects before digestion.
Aldrovanda, the waterwheel plant, uses trigger hairs similar to the Venus flytrap to capture aquatic prey.
Nepenthes, a genus of tropical pitcher plants, often attracts ants that provide nutrients to the soil around them. Carnivorous plants exhibit fantastic leaf modifications that aid in predation and digestion.
Some research indicates that soil microbes might assist carnivorous plants in the acquisition of nutrients.
Many carnivorous plants are highly specialized in targeting specific types of prey, optimizing their nutrient intake.
The Komodo dragon plant complex, or Iridula, is carnivorous but relies on symbiotic bugs to break down its captured prey's nutrients.
Carnivorous plants offer natural pest control benefits due to their insect-catching capabilities.
Certain carnivorous plants are highly sought after by plant enthusiasts and collectors worldwide.
Calcium from prey seems vital for the trigger mechanism in snap traps like that of the Venus flytrap.
Carbon and nitrogen-stable isotope analysis methods have been used to study dietary sources and plant physiology of carnivorous plants.
Thank you for joining our journey through the world of carnivorous plants, where life and adaptation bloom in extraordinary ways.